In this video I will discuss simple chart patterns but have almost 100% accuracy.
This is a bullish pennant pattern.
In trading, a bullish pennant is a golden moment to make a profit. Let's discuss it in the following video.
Before going into the discussion, I recommend a trading platform for you.
I suggest you to trade on Quotex trading platform, because this platform has many advantages, such as a 30% bonus for the first deposit, has account levels with different benefits, and has many of the most complete tools and indicators. If you want to try it, I have provided a link in the description of this video.
What is a bullish pennant pattern? The bullish pennant pattern is a formation that occurs after an uptrend. It is characterized by a pennant, a small symmetrical triangle, that forms as the market consolidates. The breakout from this consolidation typically occurs to the upside, signaling a continuation of the uptrend. Components of a bullish pennant pattern. An uptrend. There must be an existing uptrend before this pattern can form. This is because the pattern is a continuation signal and reflects the underlying bullish sentiment in the market. A pennant. This is a small symmetrical triangle that forms as the market consolidates. It is important to note that the pennant should form after an uptrend has already begun, not before. The pennant has converging trend lines because the consolidation range gets smaller until the stock eventually breaks out. A breakout. The final component of this pattern is the breakout from consolidation. This typically occurs to the upside, signaling a continuation of the uptrend.
How to trade a bullish pennant pattern.
The first step is to identify the pattern formation. This includes identifying an existing uptrend in the formation of a pennant after that uptrend has begun. Once you have identified the pattern, it is important to wait for the breakout from consolidation before entering a trade. This breakout typically occurs to the upside, signaling a continuation of the uptrend. Once you have identified the breakout, you can enter a trade by buying the stock on your stock brokerage platform. Now look at the following video example.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.